Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of arithmetic progressions. This is the 16th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous videos in this chapter. Uh, the link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. This is a very nice question. The question is from higher order thinking skills. This is a HOTS question, and it says two APs have the same common difference, and if the difference between their hundredth terms is this big number 111222333, what is the difference between their millionth terms? Okay, now there are two APs which have the same common difference. The difference between their hundredth terms is this. So now remember a very interesting thing I'll show you, that I'll solve this for you in three different ways. So let's say there is an AP which has the first term as 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. And there's another one which is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now you see these are two APs and they have the same common difference. Okay, common difference here also is 2 and common difference here also is 2. Now the difference, if the common difference of two APs is the same, which is D, okay, if the common difference between two APs is the same, that is D, then the difference between any of their terms will be the same. Okay, so if you subtract the first terms, it is 2 minus 1, it is 1. Subtract the second terms, which is 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Subtract any term, the difference is going to be a constant, which is going to be 1 in this. So the answer to the question is, if the difference between their 100 terms is this big number, this big massive number, then the difference between their 1 millionth terms will also be the same. Okay, that is the answer, that the difference between their millionth terms is also the same, which I've proven you here with a small example. Another example I'll take is, let's take this in terms, the exact same thing, let's take this in terms of variables. Okay, let me go here. Let's say there are two APs. Okay, so two APs. This one has A plus uh, D. This one starts with A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on and so forth. This one starts with B. Okay, so this one will have B plus D, because the common difference of two APs is same, B plus 2D, and so on. Now, if you subtract these two APs, the difference between their first term is A minus B. Okay, the difference between their second terms is A plus D minus B plus minus of B plus D, and this will become A plus D minus B minus D. So D gets cancelled, and the answer you get is A minus B. Okay, which is the same as A minus B here. Okay, so I'm using only variables here. I took an example with numbers over here. Here I'm taking only variables. So eventually, if you have to any term, even if you take the nth term, this one will be A plus n minus 1 into D, and if you subtract the second AP, it will be B plus n minus 1 into D. You see, this n minus 1 into D will get cancelled with this n minus 1 into D, and eventually you will get A minus B. I mean, you can open this bracket and solve it, but you can take my word for it that this is what it is. So the final answer is that if there are two APs with a common difference, then the difference between their terms is also going to be constant. Okay, so the answer to this question is, if the difference between their 100th term is this, then the difference between their millionth term will also be exactly the same. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do shoot your questions at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.